Howdy, partners. Welcome to a journey through the heart of Alabama. Let's talk about Alabama, a state that holds a special place in my heart. It's a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. It's a place where the land is generous, the folks are friendly, and the food is downright delicious. The farmers here take pride in their work, nurturing the soil and growing some of the finest produce you'll ever taste. Alabama is known for its rolling hills, warm sunshine, and of course, its bountiful agriculture. The landscape is a patchwork of fields and farms, each one telling a story of hard work and dedication. From cotton fields to pecan orchards, Alabama's fertile soil produces a bounty of goodness. The diversity of crops here is truly remarkable, reflecting the state's agricultural heritage. But today, we're here to celebrate one fruit that truly captures the spirit of Alabama, the blackberry. These little gems are a testament to the state's natural abundance and the care taken by its farmers. Imagine yourself driving down a country road in Alabama. The scenery is like a painting, with every turn revealing a new vista of natural beauty. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the air is sweet with the scent of honeysuckle. It's a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've left. And then you see them, rows upon rows of blackberry bushes, laden with plump, juicy berries. It's a sight that promises a taste of summer in every bite. That's the beauty of Alabama, y'all. It's a place where the simple pleasures of life are celebrated and cherished. It's a place where nature's bounty is always on full display. The changing seasons bring new colors and flavors, each one more delightful than the last. So grab a bucket, put on your sun hat, and let's dive into the wonderful world of Alabama's blackberries. There's nothing quite like the taste of a freshly picked blackberry, warm from the sun and bursting with flavor. Now, let's talk about the star of our show, the blackberry. This little berry with its deep purple hue and sweet tart flavor is a true southern delight. It's a gem of the South, cherished by many for its unique taste and versatility in various dishes. Unlike its cultivated cousin, the blueberry, the Alabama blackberry grows wild and free, adding a touch of adventure to every bite. These wild berries are often found in the untamed corners of Alabama, making the harvest an exciting and rewarding experience. Don't let those thorns fool you, though. They may look intimidating, but they serve as a natural defense, protecting the precious berries from predators. This berry is worth every prick. Each thorny encounter is a small price to pay for the burst of flavor that awaits. The Alabama blackberry is smaller than the cultivated varieties you find in the grocery store, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in flavor. Its intense sweetness and slight tartness create a perfect balance that is hard to find in larger, commercially grown berries. It's a burst of sweetness, with a hint of tartness that'll make your taste buds sing. Each bite is a reminder of the rich, fertile land of Alabama and the care that goes into harvesting these wild treasures. In 1990, the Alabama legislature, in all their wisdom, declared the blackberry the official state fruit. And rightly so. This decision highlights the cultural and agricultural significance of the blackberry in Alabama. This hardy plant thrives in Alabama's warm climate and rich soil, producing an abundance of these delicious berries each summer. The combination of the state's weather and soil conditions creates the perfect environment for these berries to flourish, ensuring a bountiful harvest year after year. Blackberries have been a part of Alabama's rich story for centuries. Native American tribes who lived in harmony with the land recognized the blackberry's value as both food and essential medicine. They incorporated the berry into their diets and used its leaves for various medicinal purposes, treating ailments. Legends and folklore surrounding the blackberry abound in Alabama, enriching its culture. One such tale speaks of a magical blackberry patch that grants good luck to anyone who finds it. Another story warns of mischievous sprites who guard the ripest berries, ready to play tricks on unsuspecting pickers. These tales, passed down through generations, add a touch of enchantment to the blackberry's enduring legacy. Blackberries aren't just a tasty treat, they're a vital part of Alabama's economy. The state's warm climate and fertile soil create ideal conditions for blackberry cultivation, making it a significant producer of this delicious fruit. From small family farms to larger commercial operations, blackberry farming provides jobs and boosts the local economy. Every summer, farmers' markets across Alabama overflow with freshly picked blackberries, a testament to the state's agricultural prowess. These juicy gems are not only enjoyed fresh, but are also transformed into a variety of products, including jams, jellies, syrups, and wines, further contributing to Alabama's economic growth. So the next time you bite into a juicy Alabama blackberry, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, you're supporting a vital part of the state's heritage and economy. Section 5. Berry Good Times. Celebrating the Alabama Blackberry. Alabama folks know how to throw a good party, and when it comes to celebrating their beloved blackberry, they pull out all the stops. Every summer, communities across the state host blackberry festivals, paying homage to this juicy fruit. These festivals are a feast for the senses, with live music, arts, and crafts, and of course, an abundance of blackberry-themed treats. Picture this: the aroma of freshly baked blackberry cobbler wafting through the air, children laughing as they participate in pie-eating contests, and local artisans showcasing their blackberry-inspired crafts. From blackberry jams and jellies to blackberry-infused barbecue sauces, and even blackberry beer, these festivals offer a true taste of Alabama's blackberry bounty. It's a time for communities to come together, celebrate their heritage, and indulge in the simple pleasure of a perfectly ripe blackberry. Section 6. From Patch to Plate. 3 blackberry recipes to savor. Today, we're diving into the world of blackberries, exploring 3 delightful recipes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Now, let's get down to the business of enjoying these delightful berries. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, these recipes are sure to impress. I'm talking about those good old tried and true blackberry recipes that have been passed down through generations. These are the recipes that bring families together, creating memories that last a lifetime. The kind of recipes that make you close your eyes and savor every single bite. Each mouthful is a journey back to simpler times, filled with love and tradition. First up, we have the classic blackberry cobbler. This dish is a staple in many households, and for good reason. This dish is pure comfort food, with a layer of sweet, juicy blackberries topped with a buttery, crumbly crust. It's the kind of dessert that warms your heart and soul. It's the perfect way to showcase the natural sweetness of the berries. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got a dessert that's hard to beat. Next, we have blackberry jam. This isn't just any jam, it's a burst of summer in a jar. This recipe is a must-have for any Southern pantry. It's a versatile spread that can elevate any meal. It's simple to make, but oh so delicious. Perfect for spreading on biscuits, toast, or even using as a topping for ice cream. Imagine starting your day with a slice of toast slathered in this rich, fruity jam. Finally, no blackberry celebration would be complete without a refreshing blackberry iced tea. This drink is a summer essential. This thirst-quenching drink is the perfect way to cool down on a hot summer day. The combination of sweet blackberries and tart tea is simply irresistible. Section 7. Beyond the pie. Unexpected adventures in Blackberry land. Blackberries are incredibly versatile, y'all. Sure, we love them in pies, cobblers, and jams, but there's a whole world of blackberry adventures waiting to be discovered. We can use them in savory dishes, like blackberry barbecue sauce for grilled chicken or pork. The sweet and tangy flavor of the berries adds a unique twist to traditional barbecue sauce. And for those who enjoy a little kick, try adding blackberries to your next salsa recipe. The combination of sweet berries, spicy peppers, and tangy lime juice is surprisingly delicious. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity run wild in the kitchen. Section 9. A berry healthy choice. Nutritional powerhouse. Blackberries are not only delicious, but they're also incredibly good for you. These tiny berries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and protects against cell damage. They're also a good source of fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. And here's a fun fact for y'all. Did you know that blackberries contain antioxidants that can help protect your skin from sun damage? So, the next time you're enjoying a handful of these delicious berries, know that you're doing your body good, inside and out. Now I'm all about trying new things in the kitchen, but I gotta admit, there's one blackberry dish that's always made me scratch my head a little: blackberry meatloaf. Turns out the sweet tart of the blackberries blend with the fatty, hearty texture of meatloaf absolutely perfectly. In fact, one culinary trend, Chef Kelly's stovetop blackberry jam with cracked pepper and rosemary, has been spreading like wildfire at BBQs and picnics alike. This recipe elevates any average dish. Just add a dollop of this vibrant purple sweet and savory sauce and wow your guests. Check out the description for more info, and until then, happy travels through the all 50 fruit states.